I gave birth to Ella and everything was going well like it was supposed to.
There were about 2 minutes where we were just happy.
And then we saw something was wrong.
The eye doctor just kept repeating the test over and over again.
Her sight was so bad.
We didn't know really where to go and what to do.
I was terrified since she was born, thinking forward.
ELIYA was established to assist infants and young children with visual handicaps from age 6 months to age 6 years.
ELIYA has 5 centers throughout Israel. Our main center in Petach Tikva, a center in Jerusalem, in Be'er Sheva, in Rehovot, in Kfar Maccabi in the north.
First, we interview the parents and the children, because you don't have a child with a visual impairment, you have a family with a child with a visual impairment, and the family is an integral part.
When we brought Ella to ELIYA, she was about 7 months old. She didn't do much, and we didn't know even what to expect.
It was a rescue also for me and also for her.
When a family has a child with disability, they get very overwhelmed in the beginning. And what we give them here is the framework to help them take care of the child at home, to be able to go back to work, to be able to know that their children are going to the best place possible.
Once we accept the child to ELIYA, we then plan out an individual educational program. And this takes into account the type of deficit they have and the goals we set for each child, because we have to set goals. You have to adapt your treatment to what's happening with the child. The child, after he's been in ELIYA for 6 months, is no longer that same child.
We are the leading organization in Israel that takes care of children with blindness and visual impairment.
Our goal is to get them ready to maximize their strengths, to find what they will do with the rest of their lives.
I can even imagine what it would be our life without ELIYA.
They're the only reason that we feel so comfortable about the future for her.
ELIYA helps parents in many ways, starting with social workers that are always there to listen and to help.
Basically, they're there. They know the struggles. They will be there for you. They will do anything needed.
They can carry the things I feel and give it a place.
Here in ELIYA, there is no therapy that exists isolated from vision. We have hydrotherapy, music therapy, speech therapy, occupational therapy, physical therapy, but we have integrated therapy. That is what is so unique here. Everybody working together. So when the dietitian works with the food, they're working on vision. When the music teacher works with music therapy, she's also working with vision. And when the physical therapist here works on movement of limbs, she does it with an outlook and a purpose of tying it into vision.
To see that now she's happy and she's playing and she's talking and she's eating, and I give the credit to ELIYA.
Ella is currently on the way to be in a normal class with some help.
This year, we had around 90% of the children who were able to go to mainstream education to actually do that, and that's fantastic.
One of the things that is unique about ELIYA is the way the entire staff works together. We're all working together for one goal, the child.
You see the people who work there, and you see their faces and their heart, and each and one of them is coming with lots of love.
ELIYA has a real overriding goal: to see the child, not to see the disability, to teach the child to maximize their potential, and we teach children to see with their hearts and not just to see with their eyes.